A turkey and sage filling with cranberry sauce, pancetta and cheese board cheese rolled up in puff pastry. What is there to say other than, whoa!
So this is taking my favourite sausage roll recipe ever from our family friend and making it festive. So instead of pork meat, we're using turkey thigh mince. We're going with breadcrumbs, sage, seasoning up with salt and pepper, and don't forget the egg to help it bind. We're using puff pastry for this. I appreciate people who have the time to make it themselves. I do not, especially at this time of year, so just roll it is. Lay out a nice flat piece, line it with Parma ham, that's right, we're going luxe guys, and again, amping up that festive feel with a generous spoonful of cranberry sauce. You're then going to roll out your mince into the centre, creating a big long sausage, hence the sausage rolls. And then it's on with some cheese board cheese. Go as much as you want and whatever you fancy, but a salty cheddar is going to work wonders. You want to use a beaten egg to help seal your pastry, roll it all the way over the top of your filling, and use a fork to press it together on the other side. A final egg wash over the top, and then this is actually going to go into the fridge for at least an hour to firm up, so it keeps its shape whilst it's baking in the oven. This particular roll will cut into 8 big chunky sausage rolls and bake in the oven until golden brown. All of the measurements and timings you need are on katie.pix.com, and I warn you now, you're going to make these 12 times through Christmas. Flaky golden puff pastry, the salty Parma ham, the sweet cranberry, and that juicy turkey filling. Oh,